So, we're at the airport now. Ihahatid nila ako sa Terminal 1. I just finished meeting with Sel, Tinay, and Marian. So now, some people just want to tell you something.
Hannah, get well soon. We're hoping that you can get back here soon and recover with us. So,
Hana, pagaling ka. Mag-wakeboard pa tayo eh.
Hi Hannah, get well soon. We'll be praying for you.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Richard, by the way.
I'm Richard, by the way.
Nag-meet tayo.
Hi Hannah! So, pagaling ka na lang dyan. Kita-kits na lang ulit dito.
Hana, kung di mo ako naaalala, ako pala si Abed. Ako yung boyfriend mo. Pero sana kahit 50 first dates, okay lang. Pag may nagsabi sa'yo na pangalan Zuriel, tapos sinasabi niya boyfriend mo, huwag ka maniniwala.
Siya na yung ex mo.
Oo.
Ako talaga.
Ako talaga. So, happy birthday.
Wow, bloopers ka talaga. Sobrang fail.
Yeah, so we are praying for you and we want to see you soon. So we hope to see you smile again and there.
Ana, magaling ka. Nood ka ulit ng game. So, we are looking forward na makasama ka ulit. So, that's it. God bless.